So today, you're gonna learn one of the best ways on how to curl your hair with a flat iron. This technique will truly keep even the most stubborn hairs perfectly curled, literally for days. If you also want to know more exclusive life-changing hacks, I wrote it all nicely out for you in my new book, filled with tons of hidden secrets and solutions to everything, resulting in you living the best life you've always wanted. Thanks so much for watching till the very end. It helps my channel a lot, and now let's start.
So I grab about half an inch of a section. I take my flat iron, I clamp my hair down like that, and then I wrap my hair around the flat iron and spin the flat iron until the little hair is back down like that. And then I run it through very slowly. And then once you're done, you should get a cute little curl like that. And it's so cute. And then you throw it in the back.
You could start up here or down here, it doesn't really matter. I don't really want to start my curl all the way at the top because it kind of looks like, I don't really like it. So I start off, let's say 3 inches down, and I take my hair and I wrap it around my iron once. And then while I'm wrapping it, I spin my iron too. And then, yeah, you get something like this.
Now you want to continue curling from the bottom, working your way up. And if you're wondering what flat irons are best for curling, whether you're watching this in 2021, 2025, 2030, I'll always keep my down bar updated for you with the best deals on the net.
So let's say you want to add just a little bit of volume. You want to take the second top layer. You want to grab a little section. You could tease before you curl, but I like to tease it after I curl. And spray it and keep it up like that. And then you want to do another little section beside it. Just comb it out just a bit. And there, we got a little bit of volume. Okay, so when you're done curling your hair, it should look like something like this. I actually curled my bangs just a tiny bit outwards like that. Separate your curls like so that it'll be bigger. Right before you leave, don't forget to spray your hair all around. I'll show you guys how it looks in the back. I haven't checked how it looks in the back yet, but this is how it looks. And I'll do the other side too. I really like this look. Whenever I go out, a lot of people ask me how I do this look, and I tell them, and they don't understand because I can never explain anything properly. Hope you guys got the look. So I have actually like a lot of layers. That's why it's shorter up here and it goes all the way down here. And you can also keep pulling it down. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I'll be doing another tutorial. Stay tuned and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel.
If you also want to know more exclusive life-changing hacks, I wrote it all nicely out for you in my new book, filled with tons of hidden secrets and solutions to everything, resulting in you living the best life you've always wanted. You are amazing for watching until the end, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next tutorial.
Bye!